Do you wish to be a part of the community of like minded people? And do you wish to network with them, collaborate with them, and take your business to the next level? If the answer is yes, then you are at the right place. Hi, my name is Digital Mithil, and I am a digital empire architect. And in this particular video, I'm going to share with you what is a digital community forum and how does it work. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to share with you not one, but two good news, which is going to help you connect with these like minded people and also network and collaborate with them. So let's get started. What is a digital community forum? A digital community forum can be defined as an online community that facilitates discussions of topics related to the interest of its members on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, as well as on the brand's website. It provides a space where people can voice their opinion and discuss matters related to their interest in a friendly environment. So, what are the best ways to maximize savvy marketing via online forums? Online forums are an excellent way to find information on a particular topic, make new connections like with your like-minded people, and share your knowledge with others. So when you are participating in an online forum, the very first step is to make sure that what you want out of the conversation, you need to have that thing in your mind. What exactly are you doing in that forum? You should define your goals, whether it is building new connections, whether sharing information, whether trying to learn new things, or even collaborations. The next thing that you can do is you can introduce yourself and you can start providing values either by answering to the questions people are asking, or even you can start asking questions and request others to answer back to you. And that's how you can start creating meaningful connections, start networking with them. And that's how you can start a whole new journey where you can escalate your entire business to the next level. Lastly, provide some personal details about yourself so that other people can know more about you and they know how to connect with you and where to find you on various social media platforms. But this was all about digital forums. Let us now understand the advantages of being a part of the digital community forums. So there are 6 advantages of being a part of the digital community forum. Number 1, it helps you in encouraging discussions. So when you start networking and collaborating with people in the digital forum, that's where you start discussing with them, communicating with them, and that's how you will be able to understand your customer avatar in the right way, and you will start finding the right customers in the whole community. The second advantage is it helps you in improving your communication. When you be a part of a community of like-minded people, and when you see that there are other experts who are voicing their opinion, sharing their ideas, their expertise, their knowledge, and also based on their opinions, how people are reacting, you get the motivation to also start the same. And that's how you keep on improving your vocabulary, and that's how you start communicating with better words, with better sentences, and start getting to know the industry jargons, the industry words, the keywords that people use. So the third advantage is increased collaborations. So when you introduce yourself into the community forum, people start to know you better. And when you start answering questions, you start having conversations with people, people know to you better. And when they know that they need particular thing, or this is the right opportunity where they can connect with you, that's where conversation starts, and that's where collaboration starts. The fourth advantage is better engagement. So when you ask certain questions, or when you start replying to the questions people have asked, when you be a part of the conversations, that's where people start engaging with you, they start to know you better, and that's how the engagement keeps on building ahead. And that is the right opportunity for your brand to leave a mark in the minds of the people. The fifth advantage is seek assistance and support. This is a wonderful place not just to promote your products, but also to ask help and support for any kind of new project that you are working, or you want to improve your skills, or you are working on something and you got stuck. And this is where the whole community can come and provide lots of value to you. The sixth advantage is it helps you to drive usage of your online collaboration tools. We are right now in a world where there is lots of chaos, lots of chattering, and lots of things happening around us. So how and where can I find the right platform which can help me to drive a better collaboration tool? And nothing more than your own community forum. So when you be a part of like-minded community forums of even other tribe members, what happens is you get to know them, you can ask them, and that's where you will be able to multiply your possibility of going ahead and collaborating with them. And who knows what is stored in it for you. So now you must be thinking, all right, Mithil, I understood what is a digital forum and I understood the power of it, and I'm excited to be a part of a community. How can I choose the right community forum? Well, there are certain things that you need to keep in mind when choosing the forum. First, the objective. What is the objective of you looking out for? Two, trying to find whether this entire community, does it have something called as your own customer avatars, or people who can be called as your dream customers. If they are a part of this particular forum, then you should be the first one to participate into it, register yourself, and speak to the admins and the moderators and start engaging yourself with them. So now we come to the last part where I had promised you I'm going to give you not one but two good news, which is going to help you to be a part of an amazing community. So the first good news would be subscribe to my Telegram channel, where there are like-minded people who are looking out for lots and lots of ideas, collaboration, networking, and many other opportunities. And the second good news, which is going to help you boost your sales and your presence in the digital world, is welcome to the VIH Tribe Content Community Forum. Let me just share you my screen and let me just tell you what exactly is this and how can you be a part of it. When you come on this particular website called as digitalmithil.com, that's my website. And over here on the top, you will be able to see something called as forum. When you click on the forum, you would be a part of the VIH Tribe Community Forum, where you can check out any kind of announcements. And this entire VIH Tribe Forum is divided into certain categories. So if you are looking out for questions or opportunities to collaborate in the entrepreneurship zone, and if your niche, micro niche is that, then you can be a part of it. The second would be content creation. If you're looking out for something in content creation tools, content planning, copywriting, YouTube marketing. If you're looking out for something where you would like to learn more about lead generation, marketing strategies, or even digital marketing, where you're looking for LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and many much more, also personal branding. And I'm also coming up and giving opportunities to many of the thoughtful leaders who would like to take care of their categories and build more business into it. So how can you take it further? So on the top, you will be able to see something called as a register. Click on this register and it will ask you your basic information. Once you fill all this basic informations, choose the password, put your username, email address, name, and when you complete your sign up, it will then ask you to log in. So I'll just put my login details. It will ask you that whether you are a robot or not, and then click on remember me and you will be able to log in. Once you log in over here, now this entire forum is your platform. So then you click on the forum, and now if you are looking for something, let's say this is the question that I have asked some time back, that which skills are necessary to learn an online marketing from home. And if you feel that you have an expertise into it, you can simply go here and you can reply over it. Or if you want to create something new, okay, let's say if you want to speak something on productivity and you are an expert into productivity, and if you have amazing blogs, articles, products that you wish to put in front of people you can come here and you can paste your links and get lots of advantage. So when you're on productivity, on the right hand side, you can see add topic. You can click on add topic, and now you can create a question and you can start asking on it. So thank you so much for watching the entire video and understanding the power of digital forum, and looking forward to see you a part of this amazing forum, this amazing community, and looking forward for lots of questions and your engagement in this particular forum. And if you find my channel, my content valuable, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To see you again next time.